Good day, friends. Derek.edu guy here with an update on this sewer line repair. So before we had a cast clay combination of sewer pipe. You can see here that there was major root intrusion in these lines, and we dug up the old line, which happened to be underneath this structure that's going to be converted into an ADU. And you can see the new line here. We have ABS, which is black pipe within the private property, and then right here on the property line we have to transition to PVC 3034. So this is the clean out. Drops down here, goes under a water line, a couple of comm lines, and a high pressure gas line, and drops down about 7 feet and taps into the main. So the next step is going to be to backfill and compact this with rock, and then we'll get the asphalt patched, and I'll be able to patch the interior concrete inside the garage. I hope this brings you value. If it does, feel free to like and subscribe. Follow along on this garage conversion. Next, I'm going to be plumbing in the bathroom and converting this space. In about 2 weeks, it'll go from a 2-car detached alley access garage into an awesome little 400 square foot unit. Hope you're having a good day. Thanks.